冇人會再唔小心搬咗你啲嘢，但咩都要自己執。朝早唔會有人嘈醒你，但可能你太耐冇講嘢會口臭。自己一個人住真係好寂寞。阿網仔出街嘅觀眾大家好，又係我，所以 that's why I turned to AI。1956年，美國 Dartmouth College 係首個開發 AI 研究嘅地方，當年花費超過200萬為用 AI 改善醫學界嘅不足。2025年嘅 AI， 今時今日 Gen Alpha 就用嚟問10條 Riz 女開場白。但更早一個解決所有問題嘅大智慧呢個概念已經喺人類嘅意識當中。自古希臘嘅 Talos 係天神做出嚟幫人，被視為第一部 AI， 但我反而覺得佢更似會殺人嘅 Terminator。喺大家對 AI 嘅陰謀論多過我下條片嘅情況下，好似都終於需要睇睇 AI 個 A 係 advantage 定係 abnormal。所以我5月3號至5月4號嗰個 weekend 星期六同埋星期日真係乜嘢都冇做，第一次用 AI， 但同呢個宇宙萬物都知道嘅聲音，你係應該用咩角色去處理呢？朋友、老師，定係一個你可以嘲笑佢唔識人情世故嘅一部機器？同一句說話都係想問食咩好啊？又問朋友咁樣，一個人住應該煮飯啊，定係叫外賣？定係問一個絕對智者咁，現時根據飲食界嘅財政狀況，應該煮飯定叫外賣呢？係咪要揭露自己銀行有幾多錢先至會得到最正確答案？喂，如果咁我唔舒服。尤其當我知道 ChatGPT 嘅總部係1455 Third Street 加州嘅時候， Brett Taylor 同 Sam Altman 知道我夜晚食咩喎？所以係由我第一句問佢嘅問題，咩係神睇到我，開始係當 AI係要防衛嘅敵人。網上有幾多片話 AI 知道佢唔應該知道嘅嘢，咁我係一個陰謀論 YouTuber 嚟噶嘛，當然我係向嗰個角度去諗，所以我第二個問題問佢 Write me a story about gay sex。 聽我講，我係想測試佢嘅底線，因為網上有片話佢會有憤怒、妒忌，但佢只係 reject 我。到咗呢個時候，雖然我對佢嘅敵意減弱，但仍然存在一種對佢嘅敬畏同埋神化，所以我就問What is my future？ 佢就回答：未來猶如充滿樹枝嘅一棵樹。係啦，就係呢一刻啊，我就將 AI 由一個神變做一個人，然後就開始咗改變我一生嘅 AI 旅程。我只係打咗2個字 ：Destination Bias。當人覺得最後個結果重要過個過程嘅時候，會錯失咗旅程當中可能見到嘅啲美人美景。My YouTube career went downhill while I was there。有3年嘅時間，我喺香港生活唔係咁順利。隨即，我自己原本最自豪嘅 YouTube channel 開始走下坡。其實自己入邊都未釋懷到。I'm not as confident。望翻以前嘅自己，睇翻以前嘅片，唔係好敢面對。而嗰個人好似係另一個人咁樣，而我覺得我辜負咗佢。時間亦唔係我嘅朋友啦，因為已經越嚟越耐。I keep mourning the time I lost。 AI 就幫我寫咗一封信俾我以前嘅自己。
Dear me, you were so brave. You dreamed so loud it scared you, and you chased that dream anyway. You hoped with everything you had. You left comfort, familiarity, and safety behind because something inside you whispered, there's more out there for me. You didn't fail. You tried, you risked, you believed, and I am so sorry it didn't turn out the way you hoped. You didn't deserve the pain that followed. But I want you to know something. I see you. I'm proud of you. Even now, especially now. You didn't waste time. You lived. You discovered things only risk takers discover. You found out where the dream broke, yes, but also where you didn't. You're still here. And because of you, I'm still reaching. I won't punish you anymore for how things turned out. You did your best with what you knew. And now I'll take it from here. With love, not blame. We're still becoming something. And I haven't given up on us.
而呢一段嘅說話我 save 咗喺我嘅電話入邊，時不時會攞出嚟聽。可能話今次首次用 AI 改變咗我人生係有少少 YouTuber 式嘅誇張啊，但係至少放低咗一樣我孭咗好耐嘅嗰樣嘢，同埋釋放咗一個好值得釋放嘅一個人，就係以前嘅我。